Treasury bill book is in form numbers A TR 74, B TR 72, C TR 78, D TR 80. Answer A TR 74. TA bill of a gazetted officer should be prepared in A TR 40, B TR 42, C TR 47, D TR 61. Answer C TR 47. Which one of the following is the register of receipts? A TA 1, B TA 2, C TA 3, D TA 4. Answer A TA 1. Statement of lapsed deposit is A TA 31, B TA 35, C TA 36, D TA 38. Answer C TA 36. In the case of banking treasuries, in the currency chests are kept A at the treasury, B in the sole custody of bank, C reserve bank, D none of these. Answer B in the sole custody of bank. To whom in the accountant general will submit his annual review of the working of treasuries containing summary of results of his inspection. A. The government, B. Director of Treasuries, C. Reserve Bank, D. Governor. Answer A. The government. The government servant concerned should reconcile his accounts periodically at least A. Once in a year, B. Once in 6 months, C. Once in a quarter, D. Once in a month. Answer D. Once in a month. In the register used in public works department for watching the encashment of check is A. TR 5, B. TR 6, C. TR 8, D. TR 10. Answer C. TR 8. The fines levied by the courts and creditable to the state government shall be remitted into the treasury or bank through dash A. Demand draft, B. Challan, C. Check, D. None of these. Answer B. Challan. Challan shall be prepared in form number dash A. TR 10, B. TR 12, C. TR 5, D. TR 15. Answer B. TR 12. Forest revenues collected may be paid into the treasury by means of dash A. Money order, B. Postal order, C. By challan, D. None of these. Answer A. Money order. Which form number should be used by a public works officer who frequently makes remittance to the treasury? A. TR 5, B. TR 7, C. TR 10, D. TR 15. Answer D. TR 15. Treasuries which transact their cash business through in the bank is known as A. Banking treasury, B. Non-banking treasury, C. Natural treasury, D. None of these. Answer A. Banking treasury. The treasuries shall maintain an Anamat balance register in form A. TR 12, B. TR 15, C. TR 19, D. TR 21. Answer C. TR 19. Each divisional forest officer should verify in person his monthly closing cash balance on the dash day of each month. A. First day, B. Last day, C. Any day in first week, D. None of these. Answer B. Last day. Every strong room should be inspected dash by the executive engineer and to issue a certificate for its fitness to the treasury officer. A. Annually, B. Monthly, C. Quarterly, D. Half yearly. Answer A. Annually. Plus and minus memoranda is prepared in A. TA 6, B. TA 7, C. TA 30, D. TA 33. Answer D. TA 33. In the number of checkbooks that can be issued by treasury officer in a single requisition is A 1, B 2, C 3, D 5. Answer A 1. When does the district treasury officer take back the padlocked box from in the bank and open the safe in the presence of a treasurer and examine it? A in March, B in April, C in January, D in June. Answer B in April. A memorandum in form dash for coin shall be kept in each double lock respectable showing its contents. A TR 27, B TR 30, C TR 32, D TR 35. Answer C TR 32. Who will be responsible for maintaining in the required form of currency chest? A treasury officer, B currency officer, C bank manager, D none of these. Answer C bank manager. A currency chest book should be retained for dash complete financial year after it ceases to be in use. A3, B2, C1, D none of these. Answer A3. On every day on which the chest is open, a serially numbered chest slip in form dash should be prepared, signed and sent to the currency officer. A TR 30, B TR 32, C TR 35, D TR 38. Answer D TR 38. Annual interest sheet means A fixed deposit, B interest allowed on the balance of all SB accounts, C personal deposits, D none of these. Answer B interest allowed on the balance of all SB accounts. Who is responsible to the government for the proper functioning of the treasuries in the state? A sub-treasury officer, B district treasury officer, C assistant treasury officer, D director of treasuries. Answer D director of treasuries. If any doubt arises as to the identity of the government servant by whom an accountant of any firm shall be rendered, it shall be decided by dash. A accountant general, B finance department, C director of treasuries, D the government. Answer D the government. Which one of the following is not included as class of local fund? A municipal fund, B library fund, C KSRTC working fund, D provident fund. Answer D provident fund. In the treasury should maintain a safe custody register in form dash and record in it the necessary particulars regarding all scaled cash chests, sealed pockets received for safe custody. A TR 28, B TR 30, C TR 33, D TR 35. Answer A TR 28. A bill or other documents becomes a voucher when it is only received and dash. A prepared by section clerk, B signed by the officer, C stamped paid, D none of these. Answer C stamped paid. Claims of motor conveyance advance shall be preferred in form A TR 40, B TR 42, C TR 44, D TR 45. Answer B TR 42. Gazetted officers are authorized to draw their pay and allowances without pay slip from the Accountant General for a period of dash months. A3, B2, C1, D none of these. Answer A3. Schedule of Provident Fund deduction shall be prepared in A TR 42, B TR 74, സി ടി ആർ 98, ഡി ടി ആർ 104. ആൻസർ ഡി ടി ആർ 104. ഡിഫറൻറ്റ് ക്ലാസസ് റെസിപ്റ്റ്സ് എക്സംപ്റ്റ് ഫ്രം സ്റ്റാമ്പ് ഡ്യൂട്ടി ആർ ഇൻ അപ്പൻഡിക്സ് എ 3, ബി 8, സി 18, ഡി 27. ആൻസർ ബി 8. എ പെൻഷൻ ഗ്രാൻറ്റഡ് in consideration of past employment under the Government of India or any of the state. A. Compassionate allowance. B. Political pension. C. Service pension. D. Compassionate pension. Answer C. Service pension. Which of the following is not a government account? A. Municipal account. B. Consolidated fund. C. Contingency fund. D. Public account. Answer A. Municipal account. The number of fixed deposit that can be made by an individual is A1, B2, C5, D. There is no restriction. Answer D. There is no restriction. A claim by a Gazette government servant for travelling allowance shall be presented in a bill in form dash. A. ടി ആർ 42, ബി ടി ആർ 47, സി ടി ആർ 49, ഡി നൺ ഓഫ് ദീസ്. ആൻസർ ബി ടി ആർ 47. ഹൂ ഈസ് റെസ്പോൺസിബിൾ ഫോർ ദി ഹാൻഡ്ലിംഗ് ഓഫ് ദി മണി അറ്റ് ദി ട്രഷറി? എ. സബ് ട്രഷറി ഓഫീസർ, ബി ദി ചീഫ് കാഷ്യർ, സി ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് ട്രഷറി ഓഫീസർ, ഡി ഡയറക്ടർ ഓഫ് ട്രഷറീസ്. ആൻസർ ബി ദി ചീഫ് കാഷ്യർ. In the Director of Treasuries shall inspect the district treasuries dash in a year. A. once, B. twice, C. 3 times, D. none of these. Answer A. once. Treasury officer has authority to make payments by or under the rules of A. KSR, B. KFC, C. KTC, D. MOP. Answer C. KTC. LPC of non-gazette officer is issued by A. government, B. head of office, C. treasury officer, D. none of these. Answer B. head of office. In the form of a cash book is in A. TR 7A, B. TR 5, C. TR 72, D. TR 74. Answer A. TR 7A. Ways and means advance taken by the government from bank, the receipt will be accompanied by A. silver, B. gold, C. promissory note, D. none of these. Answer C. promissory note. In the charge of a sub-treasury is vested with A. junior superintendent, B. senior accountant, C. junior accountant, D. sub-treasury officer. Answer D. sub-treasury officer. The district treasury officer shall verify the cash balance in the banking sub-treasuries in his district once in dash. A. a year, B. 3 months, C. 6 months, D. none of these. Answer B. 3 months. In which periods does the Director of Treasuries make arrangement of inspection in sub-treasuries? A. once in a year, B. once in 2 years, C. twice in 1 year, D. none of these. Answer B. once in 2 years. In the daily account of sub-treasuries are incorporated in the accounts of the district treasuries in accordance with the direction of contained in A. Kerala Account Code Volume 1, B. Kerala Account Code Volume 2, C. Kerala Treasury Code Volume 1, D. Kerala Treasury Code Volume 2. Answer B. Kerala Account Code Volume 2. A receipt book in form dash will be printed with interleaved perforated copies to be taken by carbon process. A. TR 7A, B. TR 4, C. TR 5, D. TR 12. Answer C. TR 5. Counterfoils of used receipt books should be kept under lock and keys in the personal custody of dash. A. Section clerk. B. Head clerk. C. Junior superintendent. D. Head of office. Answer D. Head of office.